How to fix Google Voice search not working on Windows. 1. Check Google Voice and language settings, use the right microphone and, enable sites can ask to use your microphone. 2. Reset Chrome settings. 3. Update Google Chrome. 4. Download and install the voice search extension from Chrome Web Store. 5. Uninstall then reinstall Chrome. 6. Update, reinstall, or roll back your audio drivers. 7. Other tips. Exit then restart Chrome and Windows. Check your internet connection. Try another browser.